Hello, so can you solve such an amazing maths problem? So worry not, I will take you step by step on how to solve it. So let's now start with the solution. So on our solution, this one is the maths problem that you are having. So we are having 8 to the power of a multiplied by 8 to the power of a is equals to 72. So we are asked to find the value for a. So let's now watch it, and please don't forget to subscribe. So let's now check. Assuming that we have some basics about it, whereby we have a to the power of m still multiplied by a to the power of n. So this one can also be worked as a to the power of m plus n. So since you understand this basic, then in this case here now we shall now have 8 to the power of a, then multiplied by 8 to the power of a. So the result shall be 8 to the power of a add to a. So in this case now we shall now have, so this one now shall give us 8 to the power of a plus a is 2a. So now we shall now say that to our 8 to the power of 2a should be now is equals to 72. So still now here we are still asked to find the value for a. So the best thing is now for us to introduce the log from both sides. So now we shall now have the log of 8 to the power of 2a is equals to the log of 72. So assume we have the log of p to the power of m. This one can also be written as m, the log of p. So here now we shall have 2a, the log of 8 is equals to the log of 72. So our next step now, we shall want to remain with 2a on this other end. So we shall divide both sides by the log of 8. So this side also by the log of 8. So log 8 and log 8 shall cancel each other. So now we shall remain with 2a is equals to the log of 72, then all over the log of 8. So we shall have our log of 8 on this other end. So 2a then should be now is equals to, so the log of 72 can also be written as the log of 8 multiplied by 9, then all over the log of 8. So we shall say that, so assume that we have the log of x multiplied by y. So this one can also be written as the log of x add to the log of y. So using this simple maths problem, let's now work it out by using this formula now. So we shall now have 2a to be now is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 8 plus the log of 9 all over the log of 8. So now let's now divide both sides by the log of 8. So now our 2a is equals to, so we shall have log 8 all over the log of 8 plus the log of 9 all over the log of 8. So log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. So now we shall now say that our 2a is equals to, so this one now shall be 1 plus the log of 9 all over the log of 8. So we can still simplify the log of this one. So here now 2a is equals to 1 plus, so the log 9 can also be written as the log of 3, or 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So we shall have the log of 3 to the power of 2 all over, so the log 8 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 3, because 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, then 4 multiplied by 2 is 3. So when you can rearrange it, you shall now say that 2a is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 3 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2, the log of 3, then all over, this one now shall have 3 there, the log of 2. So this one is 3 log 2. So in this case now we shall say that 2a is equals to, so now we shall now say that 2a is equals to 1 plus, so here now we shall have 2 over 3, the log of 3 all over the log of 2. So assuming that we have the log a all over the log of b, So this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So here now we shall say that our 2a is equals to 1 plus 2 over 3, the log of 3 to the base of 2. So from there now we shall divide both sides by 2. By now say that here we shall divide by 2. So also all of these we shall divide by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now our value for a in this case shall say that our a is equals to 1 plus 2 all over 3, the log of 3 to the base of 2 all over 2. So next we shall say that, so in this case our final answer for a now shall be is equals to, so we divide by 2, so we shall have 1 over 2 plus here in this case we shall have 1 over 3, the log of 3 to the base of 2. So now this one is now the final answer for A. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.